This is Apparel CNC Cutting Machine, special for textile fabrics cutting. Apparel CNC Knife Cutter is in operation with an automatic feeding system, precise laying out the fabric. The feed system uses a clamping plate, which clamps the fabric on both sides, combined with slow motor control. This ensures the fabric is straight and precisely positioned, preventing deviation. This makes it particularly suitable for positioning, cutting or printed fabrics. No need to make a pattern. Simply upload the design drawing to the machine to start cutting. Import your cutting design with one click, and the system automatically optimizes the layout. The user-friendly design allows you to access all cutting parameters immediately after powering on the machine, simplifying operation and maximizing fabric utilization. High-power vacuum pump firmly holds the fabric on the cutting platform, especially for cutting multi-layer fabrics and silky fabric. A large, high-resolution camera identifies printed edge and automatically generates cutting paths, ensuring precision. Place the fabric in place, and the system automatically finds the edge, positioning quickly and accurately. 1000 mm per second. High-speed cutting for single-layer fabric supports up to 20 mm multi-layer fabrics, and the cut is smooth and burr-free. It is suitable for silk, Oxford cloth, printed cloth, artificial leather, and other fabrics with high cutting quality and wide editability. Efficiency increasing fivefold, saving time and effort, and saving over RMB 500,000 in labor and material costs annually. Apparel CNC Knife Cutting Machine, one investment, multiple returns, a new standard in textile cutting. Apparel cutting machine is easy to operate, suitable for many industries. If you need fabric cutting machines, welcome to contact us.